Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. This vehicle has done just over 88,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access smartphone integration, charging, app connect, navigation. If we slide across, we have our driver assist and ID software. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.